Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The Principality of Sealand is a micronation and the world's smallest country, located on an offshore platform in the North Sea. Water taxi. Boxo.com. This website can help you to track the status of any shipment on Google Maps. Siamese dancing shoes. This is how you set a formal dinner table. Bumper seat. "11-year-old boy from Belgium becomes second youngest person to graduate in the world. He received bachelor's degree in physics. He completed his high school at the age of 8. Family bicycle. Yodel meter. "18-year-old who flew to space with Bezos told him he had never ordered from Amazon. Massage helmet. A rubber tire is technically one single giant polymerized molecule. Spring shoes. The Arctic fox changes its fur color to match the seasons. It's white in winter and brown in summer. Dinosphere. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Never self-doubt your abilities. Many Egyptians believed that there was no such thing as escaping justice, and that even if you escaped punishment on earth, you would be punished during the afterlife. Sight is what your eyes produce, vision is what your heart produces. Never let what you see affect your vision. Because hieroglyphics contain no vowels, we will never know for sure how ancient Egyptians actually pronounced their words. It's better to say how you feel and mess it up than to say nothing and let it mess you up. The Tujian tribe in China requires the bride to cry for an hour every day starting 1 month prior to the wedding. Chimpanzees' infants are completely dependent on mother until about 5 years of age. The Jia King Emperor refused the Vietnamese ruler Jia Long's request to change his country's name to Nam Viet. He changed the name instead to Vietnam. During the Qing dynasty in China, Emperor Qianlong was able to cancel taxes 4 times during his reign because the imperial treasury was so full. Spiders can't digest solid foods. The highest paid athlete of all time is the ancient Roman charioteer. His winnings totaled over 15 billion today in US dollars. The female X-ray tetra lays 300 to 400 eggs by scattering them. The young one hatch after 24 hours later and become free swimmer after a few days. Roman soldiers were given excellent training and had to keep fit. They often marched 20 miles 32 kilometers in one day with heavy armor. The word bio means life. Female tarantulas live 30 years or longer in wild. The name biology derived from Greek word bios, life, logos, study. Fleas lay their eggs on other animals. Moths come in all sizes from microscopic to the size of dinner plate. Giraffe Manor is a hotel in Nairobi, Kenya, doubles as a giraffe sanctuary where you can hang out with giraffes all day. The world's biggest pair of shoes was made in Marikina City, Philippines in 2002. The wingtips measured about 17.4 feet in length, 7.9 feet in width, and almost 6.6 feet in height. According to research, abstract reasoning makes it possible to consider yourself from the eyes of another. Teens may use this new skill to ruminate about what others are thinking of them, in which may be why teens are more likely to take risks when other teens are around. Cytology or cellular biology or cell biology is the study of cells. Some types of fig require a special breed of wasp to pollinate the female fruits. The female wasp crawls inside through a hole so narrow that she loses her wing in the process and becomes trapped. The fig produces an enzyme that digests this wasp completely, so the crunchy bits are just seeds. Aerial view of lion ambushing buffalo in the marsh. Cells are called building blocks of life. Great grey owl talons up close. Cell is the smallest unit of life. Monkeys drinking from a river upside down on a tree. Bear photographed under Ursa Major and Aurora. Inherited thrones. Thrones may be inherited, but kings are made. While the title of king may be passed down through lineage, the true essence of kingship is forged through action and character. Thanks for watching.